I feel so naked. I feel so exposed, honey. What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B. Back again with another video. Hey, y'all, this is real ghetto because I don't have on the same clothes. My hair not the same. Nothing's the same as the actual video. So, like, what happened was, like, I was supposed to record an intro after I finished recording the video. And I thought I did, but apparently I didn't. So this video is me doing my everyday makeup routine. So I posted a picture the other day and I put it right here on Instagram, and like everybody like kind of went crazy. Like I kind of like semi broke the internet. I'm just kidding. I didn't. It wasn't that crazy, but a lot of people was telling me they really liked that look. They wanted a tutorial on that look, so I filmed a tutorial on that look. It doesn't look exactly the same because my hair again is natural, and normally I wear wigs. All right, so I'll see y'all in the past. We're finna get in the time machine and go back to last week. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my brows off camera because I have an updated brow routine, and I'll tag the video down below. It's called Faux Laminated Brows. So I start off with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which you've seen me do before. This is not new. And I feel like we're friends, so I can be honest. I did my brows off camera because, yes, I do have a video, but also because I'm wearing my natural hair. And this is kind of like out of my element for the YouTube world. And I don't know how I feel about being barefaced and bare scalped on camera. So there's that. Okay, so once I do my primer, then I go in with the Farsali Skintune Blur. And this just blurs your pores, blurs your skin out so that you look like HD, basically. So you look like a filter, but you're not a filter, sis. It's real life, and you that poppin'. After we do that, we're going to take a powder, a tinted powder. The powder that I use is the Glam Galore Club Tinted Loose Powder in the color number 3. The powder is so finely milled. I would say that you can compare it to the Laura Mercier powder. Get it. It's very affordable, and it makes your skin look flawless. So I would say get it. If you do purchase it, I have a coupon code. So use my coupon code GURUSB. That's GURUSB at checkout and save some money. That's www.glamgloryclub.com. And they also have lashes, foundation, which you'll see soon. So yeah. So I just take that powder with the butt of my beauty blender, and I bounce it on my face. Bounce it on beat. Sorry, I'm a TikTok fiend. TikTok fiend. You know what's crazy? I actually got a TikTok because my goddaughter wanted a TikTok, and she is, how old is my goddaughter? How old is Naya? I think Naya is 12, 11. She's 12. And she wanted a TikTok, and I was like, oh, I need to see what TikTok be like before I say yeah. So I got a TikTok, and now I'm addicted to TikTok, and now I can't get enough of TikTok, and it's a problem. So once you put your tinted moisturizer on, then you want to go in with your foundation. The foundation I use is the Glam Galore Club Soft Matte Foundation. It's a very skin-like finish. The color I use is in F46. I love it so much because of the finish, and it dries down matte, but not super matte to where you look like dry, just matte to where you look like skin. I have oily skin, so I always opt for matte foundations. Have y'all been watching The Game on Netflix? Y'all forgot how much I love that show before BET took over. And I realized that Netflix only has the seasons where it was on CW, which is, I guess, kind of good because them seasons on BET, it was garbage. It was basura. It was trash. It was, please, let's not do this again. But oh my God, I forgot how good The Game was. Like, just so relatable. So many relatable themes. Just like, it was just really good show. The acting, the chemistry, like, oh my God, I just love it so much. I love it so much. So I've been like watching that all day long, all hours, just can't get enough of it. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the concealer. The concealer I'm using is, so I mentioned Glam Galore Club earlier, and I'm actually testing out some concealers for them just to make sure the product is good before they go launch it to the public. Okay, so now we're gonna set with that same tinted powder we used earlier. So now we're gonna dust all that excess powder away. But we're gonna leave it under the eye, so down the nose. We're gonna add a little bit of concealer onto the eyelid, let that dry down a bit, blend it out so that we can go in with our eyeshadows. So we blended that concealer out, now we're gonna get to the shadows. So for this look, we wanna keep it nice and natural, just like we're not, like the goal is just not to do too much. We're basically contouring our eyes. So you wanna take a, just like light brown shade to go in right there on the transition. Just leave space so where you can still see that highlight from the concealer. We're gonna take a darker color, a darker brown, put that on the outer V and blend that into the crease. We want to add dimension, so we're going to deepen that crease up. Again, we are basically contouring our eyes. So we want to make that crease very defined with a brown shade. Dig that brush into that crease like that. Real quick, I just want to note that my hair is not white from product. That's actual gray hair because I'm an elderly person. So we want to keep this like nice and matte, you know. I don't want to add any shimmer, so I'm going to take a light tan color, put it over the lid, but also take that up like that. So what you want to kind of do is like open up your eyes a little bit, and that's what that lighter color is doing. So we're putting it right there in your inner ear duct and just flowing it through, and I'm using pattern motions. And again, you're just playing up the shape of your eye, right? And then take a deeper brown and go right over top. Okay, so now we're going to take our liner and line our lids. We want to keep this as close to the lash line as possible because we don't want to make this look too dark. So now I'm gonna add mascara to my top lash line. This is the full frontal mascara from Fenty Beauty. So now I'm gonna take a white liner, and I know a lot of makeup artists will tell you not to use a white liner because it's too stark white, but my waterline is very oily, or I don't know what it is, but it does not, the liner doesn't typically stay there. So I'm okay using white because it never looks stark white on my eyes. So then we're gonna go back in with that full frontal mascara and just pump up our lower lash line. I messed up right there, but I'll fix it once that dries. Okay, so now we're gonna clear away that powder underneath our eye. We don't need it no more. It served its purpose. I'm gonna go in with this cream contour. This is Fenty Beauty Matchsticks and Espresso. And I just follow where my cheekbones usually indent. Have y'all noticed, like, when I'm actually doing a tutorial and I'm teaching y'all, I have a different voice than when I'm just talking? I think it's hilarious. When I'm serious and I want you guys to understand what's going on. I wouldn't necessarily call this a no makeup look. I mean, I guess we could, yeah. And just to put y'all on game, I get a lot of girls that's always like, I'm so glad, like, I just don't have to wear makeup and I just wake up and I'm pretty because, like, my boyfriend loves it. He hates girls that wear makeup. No, baby, He hates when you wear makeup because you don't know how to do it. If you know how to do it, he would like it. Okay. That's really what you mean. So I'm just helping you correct that. So yeah, a lot of times when y'all dudes have an issue with you wearing makeup, it's because y'all don't know what y'all doing. So just watch my channel and I help you. So like this is a very natural looking, you know what I'm saying, like beat down. Very natural, and it's not even a beat down. So now I'm gonna take this Mocha Mommy bronzer from Fenty Beauty and we're going to bronze up the skin. Now, the fun part. We're gonna take that bronzer and we're gonna go down the contour of our nose, like the sides of our nose. And I'm also gonna take it across here like this. Still leaving that defined highlight there, but just like right there, right across there. You see how I did that? We're going to take a highlighter and highlight the tip of our nose and down the bridge, but not all the way down, just right there. There you go. We're gonna add blush. I like to use an orange blush. I think orange looks really good on deeper skin tones. And this one is Toby from Juvia's Place. Okay, now I'm gonna line my lips. This is just a dark brown Jordana pencil. Now I'm gonna take this liquid lipstick in Rich Girl by Glam Galore Club. We're gonna use these Ardell Wispy lashes. Every now and then, I be real okay with just like a basic drugstore lash. The lash band is not thick at all. You don't feel them on your eyes. They look very natural, still very flirty. So I really like these. I feel so naked. I feel so exposed, honey. I feel like you can see me and I don't want to be seen, dear love. Okay, so that concludes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup routine. Please comment down below and let me know what your favorite foundations are. Mine is obviously the Glam Galore Club foundation, but whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Please hit that bell notification, but also when you hit the bell notification, put all and not just personalized, because if you don't hit the bell notification, you won't be notified the next time I upload. And if you're not notified the next time I upload, you have to go search my name. If you have to go search my name, you have to type in Brushwork by Suzie Bougie. That's a lot of words. I'll be trying to help you find me easier. Help me help you find me. Thank you, baby. All right, I'm out. Bye.